You have to get this railway tickets. irtc.com, that you have the site. Okay. So you want beauty treatments. दोनों साथ साथ साथ. Urban Clap. Okay, beauty treatment is by Urban Clap. Should I take out the names of the students then? Okay. Naman के साथ weekend treat करना. उसको पता है सब कुछ. Okay. Online educational courses. Unacademy, Byju's,
Brainly.
Topper.com, Vedantu. Okay. Entertainment. YouTube, Amazon Prime, Netflix. Okay. Home deliveries, restaurants, restaurant home delivery.
Zomato.
Okay, only online. Only online. Devansh Garg and Kushi. Devansh, you will answer this. Taxi services, cab services. Sab easy the.
Uber.
Ola, Uber. Okay. Selling of the cars, used cars.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Insurance policies online. And if you have to compare the prices, Policy Bazaar. Okay. So for banking sector, you have the apps of each and every bank. Okay. Activity khatam. So just you can just jot down along. You can take out your registers and because this chapter is little short in your books, so we are little. I'm just expanding this chapter, covering up more topics. So just jot down the topics so that you know that when you are doing for your studying for your exams, what all topics have to be covered. Now, when yes, it was very. And please, before I move further with the topic, your weekend homework, that is Saturday and Sunday, you have to write an article. When I'm saying article means article, उसमें ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए you're writing the merits and demerits 1 2 3 4. Article means you're writing it for the newspaper. तो उसकी word limit पे ध्यान दो. 500, 1000, 1500 तक it can be. जैसे ET पे कैसे articles आते हैं? You are talking about the merits and demerits of e-commerce. And second article is evolving trends in e-business and where this e-business will take you. So there are two articles to be. I am again saying you are actually writing articles. That is a competency-based questions. I do not want it. आप पहला point लिख रहे हो 24/7. Second point global reach. I do not want that. First topic is you are talking about the evolving trends in e-business and how is it going to have the impact on the economy. Impact on the economy. Evolving trends in e-business. I hope online you're writing. Evolving trends in e-business, or you can talk about future of e-business. Like this you can talk. Or we are particularly talking about e-business and the future of e-business. You can give your own title to the article. आप अपने article को खुद एक पूरा नाम दे सकते हो. In case any article is good, so we can always give it in the magazine. It can come into your newsletter as well. Second topic is future of e-business, and second is the merits and demerits. Again, I repeat, you can give the title to the topic, to the article yourself. थोड़ा सा लेंथी हो जाएगा, बना लो. इवॉल्विंग ट्रेंड्स में तुम मेरिट्स और डीमेरिट्स क्यों लिखोगे? इवॉल्विंग ट्रेंड्स में आप नई चीजें जो इंट्रोड्यूस हो रही हैं, दैट यू विल फोकस ऑन. You're not writing notes, I'm repeating. अगर आप notes लिखोगे, then you can continue writing the same thing again and again. But here there are two different things I'm talking. Where is the future of e-business taking us? That's the first topic. So उसमें आप merits and demerits नहीं लिखो. Second is what are the pros and cons of e-business. Clear online? Then I move ahead. This is your
Yes, ma'am.
homework. और अगर इस बार किसी ने अपना आर्टिकल्स नहीं दिए, ऑनलाइन वालों को तो ऑफलाइन वालों को तो आई विल जस्ट आस्क देम टू सिट आउटसाइड एंड दिस टाइम आई एम सीरियस लाइक कार्तिका मैम. समटाइम्स कभी मेरा भी मन करता है स्ट्रिक्ट होने के लिए. ओके, नाउ मूविंग हेड. हैंड रिटन लाओगे? वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट देना है कट कॉपी पेस्ट करके? अच्छा, मुझे लगा अभी बोलोगे हाँ हाँ मैम. चलो, क्या बना के भेज सकते हैं? But prefer writing it yourself. Articles, read articles, more articles, and in case you want to do it on frauds, you can even talk about emerging trends in business. Okay. So this article has to be written by sure. You have 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Now emerging trends in business. I hope everyone can see this. क्या हुआ? What is his name? भव्या थोड़ी है. Kavya. Emerging trends in business. In emerging trends in business, we are basically in this chapter, we are focusing on 2 things. One is e-business, that is the main trend which is now, and other is outsourcing. We are almost finished with e-business. Now we'll be talking next week about outsourcing. What is outsourcing? Getting your work done from outside firms or outside departments or outside people. It can be under 2 categories, that is BPO and KPO. BPO stands for business process outsourcing. When you get your business activities done from outside. जैसे Hyundai को steering wheel. किसके बारे में? चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स. चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स इसमें क्यों लिखना है? चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स इज फॉर इंटरनल ट्रेड. आप यहाँ ट्रेड कर रहे हो, आपको गांधीधाम और बचाओ में सिर्फ गांधीधाम चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स उसके लिए काम कर रहा है. उसके लिए यहाँ ई बिजनेस से हमारा कोई लेना देना नहीं उसका. आउटसोर्सिंग के लिए वो जब हम चैप्टर करेंगे इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस तब हम बात करेंगे इंटरनल बिजनेस और इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस. देन विल टॉक अबाउट चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स. इसमें हम नहीं कर रहे. Now then we'll be talking about business process outsourcing and knowledge process outsourcing. Now what is KPO? That is knowledge process outside. When you get your business activities done from the professionals and skilled people. अब एक कंपनी है उसको लगता है, let's take an example of Reliance. अब Reliance को लगता है कि अगर मुझे एम्प्लॉयज एनरोल करने हैं तो वो खुद इंटरव्यूज लेगा? नहीं, वो आउटसोर्स कर देता है. वो सिर्फ अपना डिटेल बता देता है कि मुझे कम एम्प्लॉयज में ये रिक्वायरमेंट्स, ये क्वालिफिकेशंस चाहिए. then these are salaries I'm going to pay. So accordingly the outsourcing department जिस कंपनीज को दिया है वो क्या करती है? इंटरव्यूज खुद कंडक्ट करती है, सब कुछ खुद कंडक्ट करती है, and they finally make the appointments on behalf of Reliance. In the similar manner, in the case you have 5,000 employees working with you, you cannot give a check to each and the payment to each and employee yourself. What do? You do it by outsourcing. आप सिर्फ आउटसोर्स कंपनी को पेमेंट करते हो, वो आपके बिहाफ पे सब एम्प्लॉइज को करते हैं. सो लाइक दिस व्हेन वील बी टॉकिंग अबाउट आउटसोर्सिंग इन द नेक्स्ट वीक, these are the various concepts I am taking about. Now when I am talking about e-business, what all you have to cover up. First, मैं Hyundai की स्टीयरिंग की बात कर रही थी. अब Hyundai के स्टीयरिंग, maybe the company is not making the steering itself. अब उसके लिए क्या कर रहा है? वो आउटसोर्स कर रहा है, बाहर से चीज़ें बनवा रहा है. दिस इज कॉल्ड आउटसोर्सिंग. आई वाज जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जांपल. दिस इज कॉल्ड, हाँ अपने घर में काम बाहर रहते हैं. Sometimes we don't drive the car ourselves. What do? We keep a driver for us. ड्राइवर क्या है, हम आउटसोर्स कर, घर में मेड्स आ रही हैं काम करने, आउटसोर्स। हम अपने आयन करा रहे हैं क्लोथ्स बाहर से, क्या कर रहे हैं, आउटसोर्स कर रहे हैं। सो दिस इज आउटसोर्सिंग. So when you are not doing your work yourself, you are outsourcing. And what is the need for outsourcing? See, when they're very huge companies, when they're very big companies, they cannot do the entire work themselves. Let's take an example of automobile for telecom sector. अब ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर, अगर हम आपने 10th में हेनरी फोर्ड भी पढ़ा है, हेनरी फोर्ड, अगर फोर्ड की कार एक बन रही है, उसमें एक पार्ट या दो पार्ट्स नहीं यूज होते. देयर आर वेरी माइन्यूट से माइन्यूट, बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें भी हैं, बिग पार्ट्स आर आल्सो देयर, फ्रॉम द इंजन, फ्रॉम द अपहोल्स्ट्री, एवरीथिंग. नाउ then it goes to the windscreens and everything. Now one company cannot manufacture each and everything themselves, क्योंकि हर चीज बनाने के लिए उनको क्या करना पड़ेगा, for everything they will have to set up a different unit. या तो इसी यूनिट को बड़ा करना पड़ेगा, मे बी दे हैव लैंड कॉन्स्ट्रेंट्स, कितनी लैंड लेंगे, एंड देन मे बी अगर कहीं अलग अलग यूनिट्स में वो बनाते हैं, मे बी इट इज नॉट इन द सेम सिटी, तो क्या होगा, अलग अलग सिटीज में यूनिट्स लैंड लेंगे, या तो खुद लैंड खरीदेंगे या फिर उसका रेंट देंगे, उतने एम्प्लॉयज में रखेंगे, उनको सैलरीज देंगे, फिर वहाँ पे प्लांट्स भी लगाएंगे, मशीनरी भी लगाएंगे. So instead of spending money on all these things, what do? कि हम ये खुद, हम सिर्फ अपने कोर बिजनेस, मेन बिजनेस पे फोकस करते हैं, एंड बाकी सारी चीज़ें हम आउटसोर्स करते हैं. अब जब वो आउटसोर्स कंपनीज बनाती हैं, जैसे फॉक्सकॉन बना रहा है, आपके लिए पार्ट्स बना, तो वो क्या करते हैं, दे सेंड द पार्ट्स एंड वो वहाँ पे असेंबल हो जाता है. स्टैम्प किसकी लग गई, आईफोन की, एंड इट इज सोल्ड इन द नेम, राइट. So this is called outsourcing. We'll talk about this. And हमें 13,000. He's so particular, he never puts his mask down. And बिठाया उसने उत्कर्ष को पास में. Put your mask down when you're speaking, so I say I can't listen sometimes. हाँ, अब उत्कर्ष को साइड पे करो, उत्कर्ष पीछे जाओ अब. ठीक है, फिर मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हाँ बोलो. So it can be because see, it's the company's rates which they have to सब मिलता के. I didn't check out Flipkart. अब next time when I have to buy a new phone, I'll take your help. ठीक है ना? You'll help me. मैम ये फोन ले लो, ये better मिल रहा है. Anyways, now when we are going to talk about e-business, now jot it down. What all points you have to cover up? E-business, first is the meaning has to be clear. What is e-business? Then it is the scope of e-business. When we talked about the scope of e-business, we talked about C2B, B2C, C2C, and what is left now? Okay, C2B is done. It is B2B. And the last is B2B. Now this is the scope of e-business. And then we have to talk about the merits and demerits of e-business. आपकी बुक में इतना दिया हुआ. Now pay attention. What all next we are going to cover up in this. Then we are going to make a comparison between e-business and traditional business. Then we are going to talk about क्या? We've already talked about everything. Online transactions, how is it done? Then the last is the threat or the risks which are involved in e-business. Online transactions. So I'll be taking up demerits again today, this topic again, because we were still talking about demerits. Huh? You are teaching. Can I rub it, everyone? Okay. Now, yesterday we had already talked about the merits of e-business. We are going to talk about the demerits, further talk about the demerits. So, yesterday we had talked about the data storage and transmission risk. So, let me put it like this for you, the demerits I'm talking about. The first risk we had taken up yesterday was data storage and transmission risks. In this, first point is hacking. Second point is phishing. Third point is virus. And fourth point I'm going to take up is your IPR, intellectual property rights. Intellectual property, threat to intellectual property rights. Now, yesterday we talked about, I gave you the data, what is hacking. Now, for in case you have to see what are corrective remedies कि अगर आप जिससे hacking को रोक सकते हो. You should use a. आप इधर आ जाओ, इधर मेरे पास आ जाओ. Because here also we have to speak out. When you're speaking, na Devansh, यहाँ online we have to speak out. So you have to speak out here. Okay, for virus, have a seat here. So for virus, that is I'm telling we can have antivirus. When I'm telling you this, students, don't think कि ये सिर्फ मैं ऐसे ही बता रही हूँ आपको. We are not talking, this is in syllabus. जब I'm saying for virus, in order to protect your system devices or your data from virus, you can download antivirus. Like we can have examples of not
it's a very nice app.
Norton Heal, जो मुझे आते हैं मेरे को Quick Heal, and you can have your own. चलो अभी hacking के लिए Devansh is helping us that how can we protect from hacking.
Ma'am, we can use keypad phone because there it will not accept any messages or there would be no internet services, so no one can hack it easily.
Okay.
Or trace
Anything
it.
else?
Yes.
We can use firewalls. Okay.
Firewalls की coding करनी आती?
Firewalls हो गया. See, when I am talking here, I am obviously okay. You are pinpointing to your safety. I am even talking about how can the companies they can protect themselves. How can these e-business sites they can protect themselves. If you are going to do online transactions tomorrow, how can you protect yourself? Now, for this, what remedy we have is encrypted data. If you see on WhatsApp, whenever we message anyone, so it says the data to data is encrypted. That is nobody else except for us, we can read it. So here, अगर नमन कुछ आता है तो बता देना इसमें. Encrypted. So what happens when we write something? Supposedly, I have written something here. This, let's put it, I have written Devansh's name and Pura, I have written a mail to him. So this goes as an encrypted data that is called a ciphertext. It is converted into a code language. And then this code language can be read, that is decrypt कर सकते हैं इसको by putting up a password or a security key.
Yes, ma'am.
So what are we actually doing?
We have to make that software of decrypting.
So a software, what these government agencies, these हमारे armed forces, what do? These intelligence forces, they do these encrypted, the data is encrypted with the help of codes and all.
They are taught to how to make the encryption so that they know how to decrypt that.
Decode कैसे करना है उसको. Okay. So my first point of demerit when I'm talking about is the data storage or transmission, जिसमें हमने 4 points लिए हैं. और जब आप 4 points discuss कर रहे हो, I repeat, you should have the data, you should have the case study of each and every. Hacking के लिए, we had talked about target store yesterday, dub smash yesterday. Phishing के लिए, what is phishing? You were sitting in the class yesterday. What is phishing? Phishing is when you get a mail from the origin, which looks like original. and they have been formed or created in such a manner you are forced to put your details into it. Like if I give you an example of University of Kansas. So University of Kansas के student, that is again the data I have collected online. The students were sent a mail by the university और उन्होंने उनके पे चेक्स और सबके डिटेल्स मांगे जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको लगा यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से एडमिशन डिपार्टमेंट जो फी डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से उन्होंने सारे डिटेल्स अपने पूरे कार्ड डिटेल्स सब कुछ उन्होंने फिल कर दिया and later it was discovered that it was done by phishing. The university had not sent no such mail, so the students' data was taken away by phishing. So again you have an example of University of Kansas for phishing. Now virus, you all know what is type of a virus. It is a threat to your internal information or the privacy, whatever you have in your system. So, क्या होता है वायरस से?
वायरस से फोन स्लो हो जाता है या बंद हो जाता है या वो वायरस कुछ अपने खुद को नहीं करेगा लेकिन हमारा डेटा सारा ले.
So the data is
data is corrupted or they steal the data.
They steal the data or the data is corrupted. For that we have antivirus. And the fourth one is IPR. It is a big threat. E-business is a big threat to intellectual property rights. अब आप अपनी, when I say intellectual property rights, you all know the meaning, or should I explain it? Anyone? You know the meaning of intellectual property rights? Which cards you use, which phone you use. Now this is an iPad. There is a logo behind Apple, थोड़ा सा half bitten Apple. What is it? What is it? It is the logo of the company. But what is the logo called? It is a trademark. What is a trademark? It is an intellectual property. Now this logo particularly has been created by whom? The company. You did not create that logo.
The founder of the company.
So it is created by the company themselves. The name has been made by the company themselves. So from where have they done it? From their own brains, from their research team, for their development team. So you have the right, when you develop anything from your own intellect, you have the right to get a property right on it, like you get a property rights on your land. तो आप उसके ऊपर ट्रेडमार्क राइट्स लेते हो, राइट्स रिजर्व करते हो ताकि nobody else can use those trademarks. Like if it is McDonald's M, you are starting a burger shop today. Can you use McDonald's M? No. Online, am I getting clear, everyone? Online, can I get a reply back, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Khushi, Devan.
Yes,
Anyone has any information to share, please say in between. Naman, Khushi, Devansh and Naitik. Okay. So, you cannot use that M for your own burger shop. In the similar manner, you are starting a sports goods today. Can you use Nike's logo and start it?
No, ma'am.
Although you get Nike's
And
goods.
we can't use even we make a right tick, and if we make a opposite tick mark, then also they can catch on.
So even for Adidas, if you see, वो I की जगह it is a L they have used it or it becomes an Adibas. But they are very local brands जो हैं वो ऐसा use करते हैं. So sometimes the companies do not do cases, but in case the marketing बहुत high level पे होती है और ज़्यादा उसकी distribution होती है, then the companies they file cases against them. Like yesterday you were giving Starbucks and Starbucks.
Ma'am, one more is there in Ahmedabad also. Copy Ahmedabad.
What?
नाम तो मैं भूल गया उसका. Ma'am, Versace और उसका
Even Zara is a fashion store.
Yes, ma'am.
Now Zara, किसी ने Zara के नाम से restaurant खोला. So, but the look and all of Zara, how they have written it, how Zara scares it. So what is it? That means it is a threat to their intellectual. कोई और उसको use करके अपने फायदे के लिए.
They have patented their trademark. That is why anyone else cannot use.
Okay. Patent their trademark. They have got their trademark down. Reserved. नहीं. Intellectual property rights जब हम पढ़ते हैं हम उसको 3 categories में पढ़ेंगे. ऑल्दो इससे ज़्यादा भी होते हैं, हम अगर हम 3 पे मेनली फोकस करेंगे, दैट इज ट्रेडमार्क, कॉपीराइट एंड पेटेंट. ट्रेडमार्क एंड पेटेंट दे आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. ठीक है. पेटेंट हम किस पे ले, कॉपीराइट हम किस पे लेते हैं? आर्ट एंड स्कल्पचर्स पे. आपने कोई स्कल्पचर्स बनाए हैं? हाँ, हमारे कोट कोड पे सीओ.
कोट्स जो हम लोग को कोट्स लिखते
नो
हैं
नो 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 नो. That is also a trademark. That is the tagline you are talking about. I am loving it. जैसे मैकडॉनल्ड्स का है, नाइकी का, that is also a trademark. जब हम करेंगे ये चैप्टर, डोंट वरी, हम ये चैप्टर शायद 7th या 8th चैप्टर में आएगा. ये पेटेंट होता है हमारे इंजीनियरिंग आइटम्स पे, जो इंजन्स पे नई टेक्नोलॉजी डाली जाती है उस पे, ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में, ये तुम्हारी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बल्ब और सब.
उसको पेटेंट फ्री भी रख सकता है या पेटेंट.
हाँ, वो आगे रॉयल्टी दे देता है कि आप मेरे को इतने पैसे दे दो एंड देन आई विल गिव यू द राइट टू यूज इट. म्यूजिक, आर्ट, ड्रामा, गानों पे ये कॉपी. आपकी वेबसाइट्स बनी हुई हैं, एनी वेबसाइट यू ओपन इट नाउ, उसके नीचे हल्का सा छोटा सा सी लिखा होता है, ऑल राइट्स रिजर्व. दैट मींस दे हैव गॉट देयर राइट्स रिजर्व्ड विद इट, नोबडी एल्स कैन कॉपी इट. ऐसे ही हमें अपने ट्रेडमार्क्स जो है गवर्नमेंट के साथ रजिस्टर कराने पड़ते हैं, अपने पेटेंट्स, अपने कॉपीराइट, ट्रेडमार्क सब रजिस्टर कराने, एंड यू कैन गेट देम डन एट अ इंटरनेशनल लेवल ऑल्सो. सो यू हैव एन ऑप्शन. आप सिर्फ इंडिया में रहना चाहते हो, इंडिया के लेवल पे करा लो आप पे, मगर देन द इंटरनेशनल ट्रीटीज आर एप्लीकेबल ऑन योर पेटेंट्स. राइट राइट. ठीक है, करेंगे तो और डिटेल में करेंगे जब भी टाइम आएगा. सो इज दिस मच क्लियर? IPR, दीज आर द फर्स्ट थ्रेड. फर्स्ट थ्रेड दैट इज द डेटा स्टोरेज एंड ट्रांसमिशन रिस्क, जिसमें हम वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सब में एक एक केस. समरीत, आर यू गेटिंग इट बेटा? one केस इन ईच. यू शुड राइट दिस. इसको ऐसे बना लेना अपने लिए. हैकिंग, फिर यहाँ पे केस लिखो इसका, और यहाँ पे इसका precautionary measures, how you can write it. Right? You can make it like this in your registers. Now the second problem is, that is delivery issues. Now there is delivery at the time of taking or at the time of क्या कुछ नहीं लिखा, गंदी से handwriting. Delivery issues, that is at the time of giving and taking. When you have to speak, see, these students also should listen whatever conversation is going on in the class. So there are payment issues. There is at the time of placing the order. Placing the order. These are other risks which are involved in. Basically, these are the main risks involved. Clear? आगे बढ़ूं? Now, what are other risks which are involved in this, in any business? मैंने सिर्फ कल जो हैकिंग और फिशिंग था एक प्रॉपर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फॉर्म में आपको बताया है, और बताओ ईमेल, स्पैम मेल्स, ये सब कुछ आ गया बीच में. वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दोस. So that is fake information, you can say. So we can say dubious calls and fake information, dubious calls and fake. Okay, so they have given fake information on the internet. That is what you can say. OLX पे अगर some people give fake information in order to दूसरे लोगों से पैसा ले लो, and they are not delivering the object, or the object is not of good condition. So that is fake information they are putting on net. Okay, what else? अभी बहुत हैं अभी भी points. Yeah. Huh? Duplicacy of products. Then when, okay, duplicate products. So duplicacy in the products. Okay. Have you ever faced this problem that the entire website it collapses or it so it's the server down or you can say there is a what do you call it? Do you do not call it a site collapse नहीं कहते उसको there is a particular name of it. बेसिकली दीज आर वायरसेस या उसमें हैकिंग होती है इसलिए उनकी पूरी वेबसाइट बिल्कुल डेड हो जाती है. देयर इज अ पर्टिकुलर वर्ड इट इज कॉल्ड टू दैट. वो तो खुद कर सकते हैं हम सर्वर डाउन. देयर इज अ पर्टिकुलर वर्ड टू दैट. नमन, एनी आइडिया व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट? जब सर्वर डाउन होता है देयर इज अ पर्टिकुलर वर्ड विच इज कॉल्ड फॉर दैट लाइक okay, you can say the crashing of the site or breaking down of the site. Breaking down of the site. Then sometimes you are already in the mode of transaction with this app and the entire amount is cancelled. Cancel means transaction ho jati hai, whereas you do not get the information on that. What else? Anyone else? You can cite any other demerit. Otherwise, I'll wind up here. Go through the chapter till e-business. Now, when I was talking about online transactions, so there are three modes in an online transaction. One is called a pre-purchase stage, stage 1. Mobile. Okay, the second stage is called the purchase stage. And the third stage is called the payment stage. These are the three stages in online transactions. Pre-purchase stage में आप सिर्फ ये ढूंढते हो, you already know what you have to buy, you find, locate the site from where you have to do the shopping. That is the appropriate site or the official website where you want to do the transaction. So after that, you move to the purchase stage, you select the items, you put it in the cart, and then you move into the third stage, that is the payment option, जहाँ आपकी 10 से 15 options आ जाती हैं, that you have COD available, debit card available, and all that. So this is क्या हो गया? UPI है, भीम ऐप है, आजकल so many आते हैं. So, and Monday we'll be talking about articles, and one more thing you have to prepare, how e-business is having the worst impact on the retail outlets. उसके ऊपर हम debate करेंगे. अमर्त्य and चाणक्य will be club Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. दिन आप बता दो. कौन सी presentation? वो पिछले चैप्टर का था उत्कर्ष. So do it on Monday. Monday articles you have to just submit. I can ask you to read it out to present in the class. The effect of e-business on retailers. On retailers. Come prepared with the debate on Tuesday. We'll have a debate, and Wednesday, Thursday we'll do outsourcing. Retail outlets. Okay, online students, 4 of you, I have marked your present. Thank you so much. Have a nice weekend ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Yes, Naman, it is. Secret. Yes, it is. So I have given you your work so that you can devote time in preparing your article. नोट्स नहीं लिखने, मैं दोबारा रिपीट कर रही हूँ, आर्टिकल लिखना है, न्यूज़पेपर में जैसे आर्टिकल होता है. Use good words in it. Okay, bye Devansh and Naman. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.